Advertisement. The former home of late Bee Gees singer Robin Gibb, who died in 2012, has hit the market. The waterfront brick mansion, which sits on a private 6.8-acre lot in Long Island's Oyster Bay, is asking $12.9 million, listed with Bonnie Williamson and Lauren Koch of Daniel Gale Sotheby's International. Robin Gibb was a very private person, and that was the attraction of this property, says Williamson told Forbes. What's really special about this house is that it's grand, but it's also intimate. The house is big, the rooms are large, but designed to feel comfortable and in scale with the people. Get push notifications with news, features and more. Follow and yell. Get the latest updates on this topic in your browser notification. In addition to boasting 7 bedrooms, as well as 7 full and 3 half bathrooms, the property also contains an outdoor pool, a fully renovated 1-bedroom cottage and a private deep-water deck. The spacious single-family home was designed in 1926 by Bertram G. Goodhue, a famed architect whose other works include the Los Angeles Public Library and Bartholomew's Church in New York City. Related, see inside Serena Williams' glamorous Florida mansion, with a gallery and secret karaoke room. Although thoroughly renovated by its current owner, who never moved into the property, the home still retains elements of Goodhue's original. Some of its grand features include cathedral ceilings, a sitting room with water views that is lined with French doors, and a spacious kitchen with updated appliances and grand. Gibb died in 2012 at the age of 62 after a long battle with cancer and intestinal. Along with his twin Maurice and brother Barry, Gibb formed the Bee Gees, in part, to stand for the brothers Gibb, and together they recorded decades of hit songs, including the iconic